the guy that you now see, it's the same guy that I was with. The only difference with me, I never posted money. I never flashed on social media about the things that he does for me. And one thing that people
Okay, Mzansi, before I explain on what exactly is happening on that clip, let me start by saying hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But see that clip comes from none other than Umbali Skosana, who trended last year for using her lovely slogan that stated Sanbonani as Pegeleni Umyenwami, which whereby she used her soothing voice and Mzansi fell in love with her. Then unfortunately, Batadabumkosi, their marriage ended due to allegedly infidelity or rather polygamy, whereby the husband was now demanding that kumele abe nomfazi wesibili, of which Mbali was against that. Hake Batsanbumkosi, soon after the relationship ended at the beginning of this year, we started seeing a beautiful lady on TikTok posting about her relationship, and she later on revealed the face of the man. Aw sana, it was shock of our entire existence eMzansi. When we saw ukuthi ana man ngathi siyamazi lo bafo lo msolo lo simazi kahle ulo waya owayeshade noMbali Sikhosana. Hayi ke bathandi bomkosi, soon after that Mzansi started making speculations stating that lena uyena ayibandla uyena lo yantombazana owazama nkosi yami ukuthi angene kusithembu. Hayi bandla ke usisi girl tried several times to clear her name abathandi bomgosi, constantly mentioning that yena waqoma indoda is single. Hayi ke sana, it was hard for Mzansi to believe that. So on that clip, Mbali Sikhosana is trying to explain that baby girl bandla, she was actually telling the truth. She actually accepted Utando from a man who was single, and that this lady posting whatever that she's constantly posting, the man giving her money, gifting her, taking her out, it's the similar things that Mbali used to experience, not what we used to see on her page. It is just that she never posted that side of her relationship, and that we must accept and let things be, because she is happy and she holds no grudges against the man, and she is happy that the man has moved on. Woo! Son, but then please watch the following video.
izinto social media ziyakhulumisa uNkulunkulu wami. And into ebuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi nobody has ever had me say anything. Y'all have these stories, oh my goodness. Angazi nizithathaphi. It's crazy. It's crazy, and unfortunately, I am not here to explain to anybody. Nizokucabanga benifuna ukukucabanga. And if you know, you know. As much as I am a content creator, if you are around my circle, uzowazi ukuthi angisungumuntu othanda udumo. Mina angilithanda udumo. Anginako ukuyiphakamisa. There is so many things, great things that happens beyond closed doors that nobody, especially you guys that write nonsense about me, engazazi. Akekho umfazi ongavela adingelwe yikhanda nje and just cook and pretend like she's happy on social media ngoba kwenzakaleni, because that content I was creating for those 30 views people that used to view my content back then. I didn't know that it will trend. I didn't know that I'll be famous today because of that content. And there's one thing ehlula abantu besifazane ukuyi-understand ukuthi mina ngizokhulumela nami, angeke ngikhulumele wonke umuntu. Me as uMbali Sikhosana anginalo uthando engizoli-offer indoda. The only thing that I have is respect, and irespect yami izoqhamuka ekutheni indoda ingikhombisa uthando kangakanani. Those who are in my cycle, they know ukuthi The guy that you now see is the same guy that I was with. The only difference with me, I never posted money. I never flashed on social media about the things that he does for me. And one thing that people they don't know is that Tina Sizela kungena lutho at this apartment. We started everything together. Ubeyihlalela le kubo emkhukhwini, ngiyihlalela le kithi erumini, sazoqala la. And most probably he was never gonna be able to post esahlala la wayehlele khona. So he needed to elevate also ukuthi abe la khona and elevate noba nami. I am happy for him where he is, but the fact is akangiphathanga kahle, and I don't think I deserved what he did for me. But I'm not here to cry again on social media because I've seen izinto uNkulunkulu angiyenzele zona after the breakup, and like I said before, I've dodged the bullet because ngiyazazi izinto that would have killed me if I continued and pretended to be happy in that relationship. The people that knows him, they would attest, but I don't want them to, because the universe is watching, and uNkulunkulu akozeli, uNkulunkulu akusisilima. Anginakho ukuyiphendulela, angizelanga la ukuzochaza into eziningi, kodwa I'm just here to ask for ama-bloggers to keep my name out of your business. I am doing well. I am so happy. I am a private person. That is why ningazi ukuthi kenzakalani ngami except for the content le engininika yona. It's something that I've been doing from before. The only thing that you know about me is that I used to cook for umyeni wami. That's the only thing that you know about me. And then what makes you think ukuthi uyangazi to that extent where you're going to assume that I was a horrible person during closed doors? You don't know anything about me. And one thing I can tell you about someone is their energy. Their energy never lie. I don't think bonke labantu abathi bayangithanda it's because they feel the bad aura. I'm not here to even explain myself how great I am. The people that get to experience my presence, they know this. So ngiyacela bandla, stop writing shit about my name. We have moved on. I am so happy for him. But ngicela ningangifaki. Ngiyacela, as much as I don't include anyone in my business, ngicela bandla kube njalo, and respect my space, respect my privacy. Sihlukene kuphelile. Akekho umuntu one-guarantee yokuthi into izolasta forever, unfortunately. And nina la nigqoka ama-mask kuma-comment section nizozenza ngathi niyingcwele. The fact is, you don't know the person that you are with ukuthi engakujikela noma ngeke azakujikela kusasa. Nobody has a manual ukuthi lempilo le ihamba kanjani. Isimple leyo nto leyo, straight. Kodwa nje ngoba nje abanye abantu besifazane nilimele kakhulu, anikwazi anijwayele lento ukuthi abantu bayakhona ukumove on kune-peace. And if you guys can say anything about me ukuthi mina ngayisho, ayikho, because I've never said anything. The only thing that I did, I came on social media crying because I was hurt at that time. Khona manje ni-drag ingane yabantu like, yeah, umuntu umshaya ngesiteni. She was not even a picture. Uthole le ndoda yabantu isingile. And ngiyamvumela. And I am happy for her. Uzom experience it differently, yes, because mina nayo, we're not the same. Mina, I am different. I want things to happen ngendlela ehlukile. I have different goals. And mina, umuzi, mina, ngubuka ngendlela ehlukile compared to another person. I don't understand yini into enuka abantu ilungelo lokuthi bahlaziye impilo yomuntu to that extent as if niyamazi. We want different things. We like different things. Abanye abantu, they love posting everything that is happening to them. Some of us, we don't. And please respect it. And it's okay. So nje ngiyacela bandla nibe nosuku oluhle, as much as I'm having an amazing day. Namazinyo wami amahle. ngiyanithanda but ngiyacela bandla ngiyacela, as much as I am the one that came on social media nganifaka indabeni zami, but see, it's okay man, manje sekwanele kwanele.
Hhayi-ke bathandi bomgosi nizizwele, if Mbali Skhosana herself confirms that Bandla, baby girl, she is innocent and she fell in love with a single man. Ayasiyekeni. I mean, who are we to keep on questioning things whereby the business person, why am I saying business person, but rather the owner of the ndaba has accepted everything. That's it for today, but please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.